Welcome to the Houghton Lake Public Library's Tech Short series. Here, we'll be offering bite-sized videos to offer useful tech tips for you to use every day. Today, we'll be taking a look at using Google for measurement conversions. If you've ever needed to convert one unit of measurement to another, Google can make this easy for you. For example, let's say you need to know what a speed in kilometers per hour is in miles per hour instead. First, let's open up a web browser. If you're not already at Google, go to your address bar and open up google.com. Now, let's search for, let's say, 75 kph to mph. As you can see, 75 kilometers per hour is about 46.6 miles per hour. You can also see that there are drop-down menus below each value. This allows you to change the unit to something else. Let's change miles per hour to meters per second instead. You can see that 75 kilometers per hour is equal to about 20.83 meters per second. As another example, let's convert ounces to pounds. Let's search for 12 ounces to pounds. As you can see, 12 ounces is equal to 0.75 pounds. This could be useful, for example, if you're cooking with a recipe that uses ounces, but you only have a scale that shows pounds. There's also a drop-down box found above these numbers where you can see other options for conversions that are available. There are conversions for things such as time, temperature, volume, and many more. Nearly all units of measurement can be converted to another unit of the same type by using Google. Simply use the template we've been using to search for, using the number, the original unit, and the new unit type. This is all you need to know to convert any unit to another unit. Thank you for watching this episode of the Houghton Lake Public Library's Tech Short series. If you like this episode, consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing to be notified of future content. Thank you.